I just want to turn around and I want to thank them all. They are very, very special people. Thank you very much. When you think you haven't heard this expression, but we are making America great again. You haven't heard that, have you?
Something this big, something this generational, something this profound could not have been done without exquisite presidential leadership. Mr. President, thank you for getting us over the finish line.
Mr. President, you fulfilled the promise you made to millions of Americans struggling in this economy to cut taxes across the board for working families and businesses large and small. In August of this year, the President laid out his vision for a tax cut that would be a middle-class miracle, and that's exactly what the Congress passed today.